Hi guys, how are you? So today in this video I will show you how to update Windows 10 or how to check the updates on Windows 10 operating system. So let's get started. So the first thing you have to do, click on the start menu. When you hit start menu, you have to click on settings. Click on the gear icon, settings. And when you hit settings, the Windows setting will be open. You can see at the very top Windows settings, and just come to the very bottom and you can see at the very last there is the option update and security. Click on update and security. Now there, when you click update and security, at the very first option you will see Windows update right here, and on Windows update you will able to see your computer is up to date or not, and as well as your machine is getting the updates, the regular updates or not. So when you click on Windows Update, it will show you updates available. So hit download. As you can see, the download option is appearing right now. So click on download, and after that the Windows 10 update will start downloading. And if your Windows is up to date, then it will show you the option check for updates. Instead of download, it will show you check for updates. So click on check for updates, and if is there any important update is there, it will be downloaded as well. So that's how you can update your Windows. That's how you can download your Windows 10 updates. And when it's downloaded, after that it will ask you to restart your machine. You have to restart it, and in few steps you can update your machine. That will take around 25 minutes to 30 minutes, and after that you can update your machine. When it's on, your machine will be up to date. So thank you for watching guys. That's how you can update your machine. If you have any problem, leave me a comment. Thank you very much. Bye bye.